Praise God kids, good morning. Today we are going to learn EVS. So take out your hands on EVS book, okay, page number 42. So in last class we have learned water in the houses. So the water we use in houses, in toilet, in washroom, okay, and then to take bath, to wash the vessels, or to wash to the swimming pool, for gardening. So how do we get water in the house? So we have a big tank. The water is stored in that. They have connected to the pipes. Through the pipes we get. Okay, and also we have the olden days, how they were using the waters, well, tube well and hand pump. So, and the things which all will be sink and which all the things will be floated. Today we are going to see dirty water. Okay children, so what all the things make water dirty? Okay, we'll see. Take out page number 42. When we dump things in water bodies, the water becomes dirty. This is called water pollution. See, here you can see in a lake they have dumped so many things here. So when they have dumped all this garbages here, it becomes dirty. So this is called water pollution. It is harmful for us, animals and plants. So this is harmful for us, human beings, also plants and animals. Okay children. So this lake is not for safe. This is not for family swimming. So here you can see in the lake there will be the fishes, the octopus, and here the ducks are swimming. So this is a house for the water animals. So when you pollute all this water, it is not a safe lake for them to swim here. Okay. You do not trash your own home, do you? Why trash mine? See here, you can see here fish. See the fish and three tiny fishes are there. So they all are telling what they are telling. They all trash your home. So if you will you throw the garbages into your house? No. After cleaning, after sweeping your house, what you will do? You will take that and put it in the dustbin. So after that, you will come and throw it outside. But whereas in lake, what we will do? We will take all the garbages and things and we will throw it in lake. So we won't throw it in your house because we live in a house. But whereas in the lake, what we will do? We will just take and throw. There animals are there. What are animals? Water animals are there. So they are asking us, do you trash your home like this? Why you want to trash mine? Okay. These are the things that cause water pollution. So here are the things which causes water pollution. Okay, we can see here the garbages. See the garbages, what all we use, daily uses garbages. That all this when you throw it in the water, this causes water pollution. And rubber like tire, shoe, pipes. See, when you all use throw all this also makes water pollution. And here plastics like water can, like olden days we have pots. Even now we use pots, plastic pots and nets, bowls, broken bowls. When you throw all this also makes water pollution. And here metals, you can see they're throwing the metals. All these metals, when it fall in water, it will catch rust. So all this rust also makes water pollution. And oil. So oily things also when you throw makes water pollution. So all these things make water pollution. Okay children. So we should not waste water when we pollute the water. So it will be harmful for us, for human beings, for animals as well for plants. So we should keep safe. We should throw the garbages in dustbin. Okay, and you will not throw into the lake or into the pond or throw in somewhere on the roadside. Okay, you have a dustbin, so you should use dustbin. Okay children, so this will be your homework. Save water. Here take the pictures that show the correct way to use water. So here are the pictures given. You have to see which they do not waste, how to save the water. You have to tick to that. Okay, example, see here the girl is flowering the plant. Okay, sorry, watering the plant. So how she is watering? She is taking in a tank and she's taking in a can. Okay, this is water can and then she is watering to the plant. So this is good way and this is a way you have to save water. So you are going to tick here. And see here, this man, he is taking in a bucket and he is washing the car, he is wiping the car. So he is saving the water. So you have to tick here. And here, see, he is taking bath in shower. So he is wasting so much of water. So you should not waste water. So you will put a cross here. Okay, same way you will do remaining all the homeworks. So the page number I have written here, page number 43 will be a homework. Okay children, and in last class I have told you to make this video and share about which things sink in water and which things float in water. So you have to repeat this again. Okay children, send this homework to school WhatsApp number, do it neatly and also send your homework along with that. Okay, see you next class. Bye bye. Thank you.